The Sucuri WordPress plugin helps secure your website from threats such as malware, hacks, and DDoS attacks. Here's how to use it. Install the Sucuri plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. Search for Sucuri Security. Click Install Now, then Activate. Configure the plugin. Once activated, go to Sucuri Security in the WordPress menu. Set up the plugin by clicking Settings. You'll be prompted to create a free Sucuri account to get access to certain features. Activate security features. Website Firewall. Enable the Sucuri Web Application Firewall to block malicious traffic. Security Activity Auditing. Turn on activity logs to track any unusual actions or changes on your website. Malware Scan. Enable the malware scanner to automatically scan your site for vulnerabilities and malware. Post-hack actions. Set up actions to take in case of a breach, such as changing passwords and locking the site for maintenance. Monitor your site. Check the dashboard for alerts and notifications regarding security status, malware or performance issues. Regularly scan your website for vulnerabilities.